Enzymes. BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes. Digestive enzymes is a product you must take before any supplements. BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes comprises 14 types of digestive enzymes and a prebiotic. There are 11 carbohydralytic enzymes that help to digest carbohydrates and fiber, 2 proteolytic enzymes that digest protein, 1 lipolytic enzyme that digests fat, and a prebiotic isomalto-oligosaccharides, which is the food for the probiotics. Carbohydrates, protein, fats, and fiber are the macronutrients in our diet. Carbohydralytic enzymes help to break down carbohydrates and fiber from the vegetables and fruits. Enzyme amylase breaks down starch into maltose and glucose. Invertase breaks down sucrose into glucose and fructose. Glucoamylase breaks down maltose into glucose. Improperly digested starches and sugar will be fermented by the bad bacteria and yeast in the large intestine and cause a buildup of gas. This gas can cause cramping, spasms, and pain. Cellulose, hemicellulose, and xylin are complex carbohydrates that form the outer cellular structure of all green plants. Enzymes cellulase, hemicellulase, and xylinase help to break down these complex carbohydrates. These enzymes are produced by the microorganisms in the human guts. Human bodies are not able to produce these enzymes. These enzymes help to release the antioxidants and nutrients from the fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Enzyme lactase helps to break down lactose in the dairy products. More than 70% of the adult population in Asia are not able to produce enzyme lactase. The undigested lactose is being fermented by the bad bacteria in the large intestine and leads to symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, flatulence, nausea, and diarrhea. Pectin is a polysaccharide which binds plant cells together. Pectin is found in many fruits and vegetables such as apples and bananas. Enzyme pectinase helps to break down pectin and form short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids provide energy for the colon tissue and help to regulate the body's immune system. Legumes and cruciferous vegetables have carbohydrates known as glycoproteins or glycolipids which are not effectively broken down in the guts. These poorly digested particles are fermented by the gut bacteria and produce hydrogen and carbon dioxide gas. Alpha-galactosidase helps to break down these carbohydrates. Phytate is a form of indigestible phosphorus that is present in cereal, wheat, various grains, legumes, and seeds. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and zinc are bound in the phytate molecules. Phytate is known as an anti-nutrient as it blocks the absorption of minerals. Phytase hydrolyzes phytate and frees the phosphate and the minerals for the body to use. Cereal bran fiber and certain types of fungi, yeast, and bacteria contains beta-glucans, polysaccharide that humans cannot digest. Beta-glucan may increase the viscosity in the intestinal tract and slow peristalsis. Beta-glucanase hydrolyzes glucans and helps to alleviate bloating, abdominal discomfort, and gas. Beta-glucanase also helps to control yeast overgrowth in the intestine. Proteolytic enzymes help to digest proteins. BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes contains 2 proteolytic enzymes, namely protease and bromelain. They are broad-spectrum proteolytic enzymes and they are effective over a very wide pH range. Proteolytic enzymes break down protein from the food into peptides and amino acids. The body will utilize these nutrients to synthesize new cells and tissues and to produce energy. Proteolytic enzymes reduce undigested protein entering the large intestine and thereby reduce protein fermentation and gas formation. They degrade the protein allergens in the intestines and optimize the body's immunity. Proteolytic enzymes can be absorbed into the bloodstream and they help to reduce pain and inflammation. For example, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and sore throat. Proteolytic enzymes help to relieve inflammatory conditions in rhinosinusitis and inflammatory bowel disease. Proteolytic enzymes help to slow blood clotting, improve blood flow, and promote wound healing. Lipolytic enzymes help to digest fats. Lipase breaks down fats into glycerol and fatty acids. Fat is important for many physiological functions in the body. Fat provides energy to all the body cells. Fat is an important structural component in the cell membrane. Dietary fat helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, namely vitamin A, D, E, and K. Fat is important to produce hormones and many other biological functions. Patients with bile duct obstruction or gallbladder surgically removed will have difficulty digesting fats. Supplementation with enzyme lipase is important for these patients. Irritable bowel syndrome affects about 20% of the general population. Symptoms of IBS include cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. Poor digestion of proteins and fats contribute to IBS. Supplementation with enzyme lipase will help to reduce the IBS symptoms. People with cystic fibrosis, Crohn's disease, and celiac disease may not have enough lipase to digest and absorb the nutrition they need from food. So, who will benefit from digestive enzyme supplementation? People who need more energy. Poor digestive health such as indigestion, bloating, gut inflammation, gastric reflux, and so on. Poor skin health such as acne, eczema, and dry skin conditions. Joint and muscular pain and inflammation problems. Weakened immunity. Chronic diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Autoimmune diseases such as thyroid diseases, psoriasis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Allergic conditions such as allergic rhinitis and asthma. There are about 3,000 types of enzymes in the human body. Half of these enzymes are in the digestive system. These are called digestive enzymes. Another half are inside the cells and tissues to carry out the metabolic functions in the body. These enzymes are named metabolic enzymes. Enzymes are needed in all the chemical reactions in the body, for instance, synthesis of protein in cells, transportation, detoxification, supply of energy, and so on. All these enzymes come from source enzymes. Source enzymes will be transformed into digestive enzymes or metabolic enzymes depending on the body's needs. We also obtain enzymes from fresh fruits and vegetables. When our food is depleted of enzymes, our body must produce its own digestive enzymes. This process will deprive our body of the important metabolic enzymes. Therefore, to stay healthy, we need to consume a diet rich with enzymes. Eat fresh, uncooked vegetables and fruits every day. What makes BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes unique? BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes is 100% made from vegetarian source aspergillus and other microorganisms cultivated on a plant medium. These microbial enzymes are the most potent enzymes compared with animal and plant-based enzymes. These enzymes are stable and provide the highest activity in the temperature and pH ranges of the human digestive tract. Enzyme is a sensitive ingredient. Enzyme in liquid is not stable and easy to denature because water is a medium for chemical reaction to take place. Some liquid enzymes continue to ferment and produce alcohol. Guaranteed enzyme activity. BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes uses the FCC unit measuring system to define the enzyme potency or activity. Many enzymes in the market are measured in gram, which does not reflect the true enzymatic activity of the formulation. For many other products, types and amounts of the enzymes are not specified. The enzyme activity for each digestive enzyme is standardized for every batch. BioGear Vegetarian Enzymes contains the enzymes required to digest the full range of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fats. The enzyme combination is precisely balanced to optimize the body's utilization of nutrients. Direction for use. Take 1 sachet 5 minutes before the meal 2 to 3 times a day. Consume the powder with or without water. Thank you for watching.